Hello students, welcome to SJ's English tutorial. My video contains main points and the brief explanation of the lesson which will be useful to you for the examination. This will make your revision easy and helps you to answer all types of questions. Let's start. Today I will explain you the poem Dust of Snow from the textbook First Flight. It is written by Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet who won 4 Pulitzer Prizes. He worked as a cobbler, teacher, and an editor. His first work was published in England before it was published in the United States. It was My Butterfly. He was born on 26 March 1874 in the United States. He left the world on 29 January 1963 in the United States. The road not taken, stooping by woods on a snowy evening, mending wall, etc. are his famous works. Now we will see the theme of the poem. Dust of Snow is a short and simple poem with a deep meaning. It expresses the importance of small things in changing one's frame of mind. The poem explains that little things can make huge changes in one's future life. It also reflects that hard times in the life will lead to the happier times if we can persist with it. The main theme of the poem is the healing power of nature. It cures not only physical illness but also soothes the depressed minds. The crow had shook the branches of hemlock tree which was covered with the dust of snow. It fell on the body of the poet who was walking under the tree. He was going through a bad mood. The soft and cold touch of the snow had changed his mood and made him happy. The soothing power of the nature is the main theme of the poem. Look at the poem, students. The poem has only 8 lines and 2 stanzas. Each stanza had 4 lines. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A B A B C D C D. Now look at the lines. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruined. Look at the poem, children. I have marked the rhyming words and their pattern using different colors for your better understanding. Now let's look at the main points of the poem stanza wise. The poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a simple and short poem, but it has a deeper meaning. The poet was in bad mood and was walking under the tree. It was a hemlock tree. It was winter day and hemlock tree was covered in snowflakes. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree, so this tree was not at all a positive sign. It reflects the poet's sad mood. A crow came and sat on the tree suddenly. Due to this action, the branches of the tree were shaken and the mass of the snowflakes fell down on the poet's body. It is not mentioned clearly whether the snowflakes fell on the poet's head or shoulder. And the movement of the crow also not mentioned in the poem clearly. The mass of snowflakes which had fallen on the poet was the significant incident in the poet's life and it was a turning point of the poem. There was a change of mood in the poet's mind. It is explained by the poet in the second stanza. He said that the shower of snowflakes on him changed his mood. The sudden touch of snowflakes gladdened his desperate mood. He thought that day would go wasted. But the soft cold touch of the snowflakes changed his mood. He felt soothed and refreshed. He was happy that the complete day was not wasted. At least some part of the day was saved. It gave him a new experience. Now let us discuss poetic devices used in the poem. Alliteration. The occurrence of same letter or sound at the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words is called alliteration. Example, he has given my heart. H is repeated here. I have underlined the words. Please have a look. And the second example, and saved some part. S is repeated here. And the second poetic device is assonance. The repetition of vowel or vowel sounds in the same line. The repetition is at the different places in different words. Example, shook down on me, O is repeated. And another poetic device used in the poem is enjambment. When the same line continues to the next line without the use of any punctuation marks, it is called as enjambment. It has been used throughout the poem. This is very important poem to note down here. In this poem, the crow and the hemlock tree represent the poet's sad mood. The dust of snow that is shaken off the hemlock tree by the crow stands for joy that the poet experiences. That's all about today's lesson, my dears. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel English Made Easy with SJ's English Tutorial. I will come back to you with one more topic. Till then, stay home, stay safe, study well, take care. Bye.